All right, Mercedes owners, if you have a key that looks like this, I want to tell you about a common repair that we make that is kind of avoidable. So this car, when you stick the key in, it kind of turns on, but it doesn't really turn the whole car on. Let me tell you how the system works and what we're gonna need to fix on it. When you stick the key in, it reads the key. If the key code is correct, it sends a signal down to the column lock, and it verifies that code's correct. If they both match, it unlocks the column, and now it turns on the dash. This car is not turned on because the thing down here is not working. The one thing that I would suggest, if you have a key like this and you stick the key in and it sounds different, that little sh sound that it makes, if that changes in tone, that's the indicator that this is going bad. If you're hearing that sound change, come see us. It's way cheaper to fix it than if we catch it like this when it's broken. When it's broken like this and the car doesn't turn on all the way, we have to take this entire column out of the car. We have to flip the column over. The lock's in anti-tamper mode, and we have to break it all apart to get it out. So if it's making weird sounds when you stick the key in, come see us.